Welcome back to Autoscope. The Peugeot Motorhome 2026 is a modern and comfortable mobile home. Modern and aerodynamic external design. External lines are frequently aerodynamic to improve fuel economy and reduce vehicle noise. Windows, double windows with integrated insect screens, shades, and thermal insulation will be standard for privacy and comfort. Doors, the main entrances, easily accessible by electric or manual steps. Ventilation, to encourage airflow and prevent condensation. Strategically put roof vents. Storage tools, gas cylinders, and other equipment are cleverly and readily stored outside. Cozy and useful inside layout. The interior design will be carefully planned to maximize the available area. Most likely, a variety of combinations will be possible, including a fixed double bed in the rear or upper part of the driver's cabin alcove, beds that may be moved from the seating area, or bunk beds. Kitchen, a small kitchenette that has a refrigerator, often with a separate freezer, a sink with hot and cold running water, a stove, usually 2 or 3 burners, and lots of space for food and cooking utensils. Finishes and materials, use of high quality, visually pleasing, long-lasting, and easily maintained materials. Technology for driving and performance. Engine, modern, efficient Peugeot diesel engines power a range of powertrains. Hybrids or even all-electric cars may be the way forward for greener engines. Transmission, a smooth and responsive manual or automated transmission. Advanced active and passive safety features include adaptive cruise control, adaptive lane keeping aid, airbags, ESP, ABS, and blind spot monitoring. Driving comfort. On long drives, the suspension is designed to be as pleasant as possible. In order to reduce outside noise, the cabin has been soundproofed. Technology and connectivity, entertainment system, an integrated touchscreen, and Bluetooth entertainment system.